How to switch on the new Rich Content Editor in Canvas. At some point in the later half of the year 2020, Canvas is going to introduce a new Rich Content Editor. You can switch on the new Rich Content Editor now if you care to use it as an option. On my screen I have a page. I'm going to click Edit to open the Rich Content Editor. What you see here are the typical tools and features of the Rich Content Editor as it is today. If you want to use the new Rich Content Editor, you have to change the setting in the Settings page. On the lower left area of the navigational menu within your Canvas course, go to the bottom of that menu and click Settings. Find RCE for Rich Content Editor Enhancements. On the right side, click to toggle it on. When you see the green and white check, it is on. Now I can return to the page that I was editing, and when I open it and click Edit, the new Rich Content Editor tools will be displayed, as you see here. Notice that in the lower right corner, the new Rich Content Editor has certain tools down here that used to be up on top. When you want to use the old Rich Content Editor again, you have to go back to the Settings menu and turn off the enhancements.